Don't put her bottle
I had
on the
my stuff
floor.
in my chair. You leave it in my
Don't
chair.
Really? Huh? No.
And my
How do you believe that stuff? Now, what happens if that means you won't get money?
out.
Then you'll be a happy.
You guys, we're making a video.
Oh, yeah. I need to wrap my hair.
Say hi, Grandma.
Oh, I have my hat.
Say hi, Grandma.
Who put the stuff on our dresser?
I did.
Take it
You
off.
know what? Confess to y'all sins. Confess to y'all sins.
Come on, Brianna, get out.
Grandma, hold
Come on,
on.
bye, go.
Okay,
Go.
okay. Can I like log out? Let me log out. Let me log out. Let me log out. Okay. Guys, say bye to the camera.
Bye, now.
No, come and say bye. Come. Tati, get your butt over here and say bye. Say bye, camera.
Bye, camera.
Tima, say bye. Tima, say bye.
Bye, camera.
No, come. Look at Tima, you guys. Say bye. Say I'll see you later. We got a new one. We got a new stinky leg. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. Alright, we got a new one. Okay. What's that new dance that came out? You a jerk. You a jerk. Wait, how you going? You a jerk. Wait, no, it's this one. You a jerk. You a jerk.
Brianna, y'all come and get the stuff off this bed.
Bye, guys.
And listen, that's